Hello gamers, welcome back to another Slime Sun Gaming video. In today's video we are going to be playing Rocket League. This is our second Rocket League video, I think. And we are going to be doing ones until I get the platinum. I'm currently Gold 3 Division 2. So let's get into it and see what rank I can get. Or I'm gonna get the plat. Let's see how many wins and losses I can get. I'll count them and we'll see. I want to get the platinum for the season reward level thing, because I forgot what season it was, but I was plat, but I didn't get the rewards because I didn't win, or I didn't win 10 matches in it on plat. So I'm trying to do it this season. Try to bump him? No. Okay, I'm gonna grab his boost. And comment down below if you have won a tournament this season. Dang it. Luck. He is a season 11 green gold tournament title. Dang it. I'm gonna get the kickoff, but it should be fine. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna try to blast it from here. Okay. Go blue bomb. Or demo. And that's an easy goal. I go 1-1. Let's go. He got unlucky. He must be mad. How does he miss that? I thought he was coming for the ball. I was gonna fake it. I'm gonna get back. Last that. Oh, dang it. It's always annoying when it hits the roof. Like when you're going for an air dribble. Unlucky. Also, I just kind of pass it to him. But whatever. Fake kickoff. Usually, the people that have Wilson ones, they fall for that. I don't know how. Oh, what a save. I do not know how I missed that. Who kills? Still my possession. Demo? Oh, dang. Just wait. Be patient. And bro, no way that doesn't go in. I was gonna say, and that's why you be patient. But, nice. 2-2, 3 minutes left. Okay. He has 52 pin, not bad. I'm just gonna wait for him. He's not challenging. Flick over his head, and could be a goal. Yeah, nice. Okay. That was a nice flip by me. That could be a goal? No. If that was a little lower, that would have gone top corner. Come on. Gotta be patient. You don't just wanna go right full of 50-50, dang it. This guy's pretty good. Why did he say wow 2 times? Oh, that was one of his phone numbers, so my bad. Yes. Grab that boost. Hopefully scores. Dang, if he missed that, that would have been crazy. Dang. Yeah. I wonder, this dude might be plat. I don't know. When you like go 3, you lose a lot of plats. Oh. Why'd he forfeit? It was tie. Oh, whatever. We'll take that. 1 win. Oh, he was unranked. That might be why. He probably hasn't played in a while. First game, first win. Yeah, look, it was tie. He could have made a comeback. 2 minutes left. Or there was 1 minute. I don't really pay attention to the time unless I'm down. We also seen Galaxy KUS40. See. Nice. 3 seconds. First goal for me. That was a nice little redirect. Was that going in? I don't know. It could have hit post and gone in, or just hit post and didn't not go in. This guy, oh, he ain't going. Challenge, dang. I knew he was gonna go low. That's why I just jumped and then flick. Well, not flip, flip. How did he miss that? Nice. Should be a goal. Yeah, no defense, open net. If I missed that, that would have just been embarrassing. Why is he going for boost? I mean, that's really the only way that he had a chance, but. Okay. I'm gonna stay back on this one. Because, yeah, look, he just hits it straight. Pop that? Oh, what a save. Save. Oh. Where does he go? The ball faked him. Oh, where does he? He got sent to the halfway line, bro. Okay. I'm gonna go slow. Oh, dang it, I missed it. But since he's trying to speed flipping, he's gonna get faster to kick off, so if I go slow, I have a higher chance to get the ball. Dang, try to go low. I'm gonna get back. I'm just grab his boost so he can't get back. Flip. Could be a double. Oh crap. He bumped me. What can I do? I'm saying easy double touch, but I probably wouldn't have made it anyways. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah, we don't talk about that. Okay, we're still part 2. I'm not gonna go for kickoff. He's mostly gonna kick it internal. It just hit to me. So I can hit on the ball. Grab boost. Smash it? Dang it. What am I doing? Okay. Thought he's gonna challenge. Oh, he missed. Dang. Just gonna bump him. Why is he going for a flick? Should be a goal. Open that. Okay. No save. Yeah, why is he leaving the ball at half court? Huh? How does he save that? He got lucky on that one, bro. He just dropped down and said, hopefully I save this. Okay, I'm gonna go for the air dribble. That could denied me. Dang it. I don't think he has boost. I can tell he has no boost, so steal that. How How lucky is this guy? He gets like the luckiest flick in the world. The luckiest save. And then, but he has no luck on offense. Nice. He almost saved that. Let me see. Okay, he was going for the boost. I thought the Fennec hitbox was gonna save him there, but I guess not. If you know the person's back, just like don't try to hit the person. Oh. I just missed an open that. The reason I was going for boost is that I could get back right in time. And now he has no boost. Yeah, I can tell he has no boost. Oh, he does? How? Did he? Yeah, he got no pads. How does he have boost? Like I said, I'm gonna say, like I said, he's speed flipping. Thanks for that pass. Oh, nice. There we go. Demo? No. How? What? He's so lucky. I bumped him and he still gets it. Should we go mid? Fake, dang it. I thought he was done. Fake up. Go low. And dang it. I'm like unlucky. Yeah, this dude is literally the luckiest guy I've ever watched. He's not a tournament winner? I mean, he can be. I'm not going on ball. Okay, game over. 2 wins. I think we moved up a division. So Division 3 now, I think. Yep. Gold 3, Division 3. Oh, he had 168 ping. Or 104. Yeah, he had high ping, I think. Okay. Estadio Vida. See who we're versing. We are versing. I have no idea how to say that name. He has 36 ping. That's not that one. Oh, this dude's mean. He's just unlucky. Thought he was gonna hit it to me. What? Dang! This one might be pretty good. Okay, if you can't hit it, everybody don't go for it. Demo. Go open that. He's going for boost. I don't know. What is he doing? Like, see when I demoed him? He went for boost instead of trying to defend. He couldn't defend it, but if it was slow and he went for boost, then he made the wrong decision. Save. That mid. Dang it. I'm trying to lose time. I think this is mid. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. tried to flip it back, so I haven't opened that. He missed the boost. Hey, I think I have. If I hit that lower, that would have been a good goal. Stop bumping me. Yeah. Chill. He's literally trying to demo me. Like all the time. Look! Oh, if he owned that, I would have been what he deserved. Demo. Okay. I didn't think the net was gonna be open. Dang it. Hit that mid. Dang it. I'm lucky today. I'm gonna get that boost. I have time. Flip me. Okay. I'm gonna try to flip him. Or fake. I don't know what I'm doing. Like I'm gonna go to my corner. Hit it in the air. He can't do anything. And he just passes it mid. And I absolutely mess up. Oh my. I mess up the open net and then he own goals. Wait. I bumped him into it. That was funny. Okay. Okay. He has good pin. I'm not gonna go. He's gonna hit it in the corner. Oh my goal. He was waiting for the rebound. I'm gonna go for an air dribble. Not an air dribble. I was going to, but I forgot how much boost I had. Oh no, I had 100. I should have gone for the air dribble because I don't think he was in goal. Okay, now he's just gonna do that. Gonna hopefully take a power shot. Oh, that's goal. Okay, or not. I think we're gonna get to plat today. Okay, over his head. Where is he? Yeah, he couldn't save that. That bump at the end, he for sure wasn't saving that. Yeah, he couldn't react in time. Go with that. So he thinks he is wide open. And he does. Okay, we got this. I'm gonna go for this kickoff. Oh, over his head. That's a goal? Dang. It's a nice shot, thanks. That was a nice little flip. He just gave up. He just jumped. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I might go for this air dribble. Yeah. Okay, got air dribble. Recover. Dang. I did recover it. He just got it. Wow. All he does is chase me. He doesn't go for the ball. He goes for the player. Give me that. Think I can get that. Yeah. Should be a goal. Or not demo. Or not demo, I guess. He probably would have saved that if I didn't bump him. Oh, let's go. 3 wins in a row. Or 4 wins. I don't know. I think 3. We are on a win streak. Play again. I'm gonna do free to play while we wait. Okay. See. I always look at the ping to see if he's gonna be kinda bad or if he's gonna be good. 64, he's gonna be pretty good. Sometimes you can still lag on 64 ping though. It's not good. Like, you got a low ping, that's good, I'm pretty sure. No! Who's bumping me? Okay, yeah, that's a goal. Open that. That's what I always do. I just jump in the air and pinch it off the ground. Okay. I'm gonna stay back. Oh crap. Backward save. Oh, what I save? Blast that. He on goal. That's why I wish my rando teammates would play. They pass it to me, or I pass it to them. They pass. Okay. Oh. Come on, get it. I know you want to. I'm gonna leave it and see what he does. Demo? Oh no! Whew. I'm just doing the best defense I can. Dang. He knew the challenge when I couldn't jump. I'm gonna go for that. How do I get an epic save? Should be a goal. Dang. I flipped him from half court. Look at that. Literally half court, I'm pretty sure. I'll just go back to my net. I don't know. They should just like they shouldn't hit it at me. Oh. Oh, no way. Okay, no way I missed that. Ooh. He missed a wide open net. And then he had no goals, so. I'm gonna stay back. Grab the boost. Stop bumping me. He's so annoying. I feel really easy. I've had enough of this dude. I was going for the bump. Couldn't curb myself to hit him. That's cool. It's 4-1. We're fine. Go back to my net. Yeah. All he does is just do a light shot on the ground. Dang, he jumped. I didn't think that was going in. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna speed flip. Of course he steals my boost. Yeah. Now he's gone. Or not. Okay. I'm just stealing all his boosts. Oh, except for that one, but he didn't grab it. Oh, he just did. Oh? Yeah. Oh, nice. I was just gonna make sure that I was going in. I hit that right to the side of him. He should just forfeit, honestly. It's 5-2, 1 minute left. Like, he could make a comeback. But I'm just gonna be bumping him. I thought I was gonna go for the demo. That was kind of stupid. Okay, and I just got my ankle snapped. Is that a goal? No. I'll get the rebound. Alright, nice. I am 19 ping. He's not gonna beat me. Why does he do that? Oh! Oh my god! He knew what I was doing. Dang, I almost saved that. Into the side. Dang it, he grabbed that. But that doesn't matter. I had the lead. Yeah. Because I got that tiny boost pad right there. So I could just flip that high. This dude should just forfeit. He's 4 goals down. Oh crap. That was a bad shot. He like knows my next move all the time. Dang it. I could have done one of them in the middle. Oh, almost on goal. Dang it. I was just trying to waste time. Yeah, GG. Yeah. GG. He's mad. What do I have to do? Okay. I think if we win the next game or the next 2 games, we will be promoted to Plat. And yeah. I might do the 10 matches, or I might, yeah. So for the season reward, I'm gonna do the 10 matches, or the win 10 matches in another video. So yeah, when we get the plat, that's when I'm ending this one. Hopefully, like, I don't have to lose one. Because if I don't have to lose one, I might be able to do some of the matches. So yeah. Gonna take his, oh crap. Using my silver bin. Oh, for boost over ball. Should be a goal. Dang, nice save. Uh-oh. He's gonna get that? Bro. He's so annoying. Oh. He demoed me and I scored on the side of the ball. Oh, what's gonna do? Oh, kick. Uh-oh. What is that sound? What is that thing? What it's called? I forgot what it's called, but you can like choose what sound you call next. Yeah, you are not reacting that fast. Okay. Oh, he's a season 14 plat. Dang it. Demo. Cool. Like, if you hit it in the air like that, if it's going in once, just demo them. They won't have enough time. It takes like 2 seconds for them to respawn. And if the ball's fast enough, they will not have enough time. Okay. If I'm able to hit this, oh. I would have hit that in if it wasn't there. I'm gonna go for the demo. Can't get it. Yeah. Let's go on the wall. Dang. Hit that, so we have some balls. Okay, what is he doing? Oh, nice save. That was a really good reaction save. Holy crap, what's going on? Grab that. That. Okay, what am I doing? I'm using my silver brain. I'm not a silver. I thought he was going for boost, but still I think I've done that. Oh. Okay. You almost got that. If I missed that, that would have been sad. Okay, crap. Dang it. I was in reverse. Dang it. I was just back flipping. But like I said, if you do finish plat, like on a win streak, then I'll do some of the matches to win. I might only be able to do like 1 or 2. Because I'm gonna do the tournament. Who's gonna have that? Yeah, I'm gonna do the awards in the next video. Well, ones. And in a couple of months, I am going to be doing a road to plat video. A 1v1 and 2v2. I'm going to be doing the 2v2 with Sly. And a 1v1 I'm going to be doing. I might do 3v3, but I don't know a duo that we could play with. So I'm probably only going to do 1v1 and 2v2. So in a couple of months we're going to be releasing that one, or in the 2 months. Because I don't want to rank all the way down to do that. I might have already promoted. Okay, yeah, should be next match. If I win it. So how many matches has it been? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5 or 6, and I haven't lost. So I'm on a 5 game or 6 game win streak. Oh, what am I doing? Hey, Neo Tokyo. I like this map. They did good detailing on it. We are hosting FN Play Games. Crap. Get off me. How does he get boost? Does he get a pad? He does not have that much boost. There's no way. Go for the bomb. Whew. He barely missed that. And I missed the open net. It was far away, but still I think I missed it. Cool. Yeah. I should have just let it go low. That was a good shot. Got that. Hit over his head. Nice. Okay. 2-1 already. Yeah, give me that boost. What is he doing? He should have grabbed that boost right there that I got instead of getting that one. He just left the ball, though, honestly. Yeah, I like the scores on top of the nets. Like whenever it's low and I can just control it without jumping, I just don't jump. And I was about to score that. Yep, I could have scored that. Wait, was that going in? Oh! I got so lucky. That's what he did for demoing me. All because I had a spin to it. It spun back. I got really lucky. And this is my promotion game, I think. Oh, he's about to come. I'm just spying on him. Putting that high, going for a boost. And now I just have an open net. Oh crap. Demo? No. And cool. Just forfeit, man, please. I'm gonna get the plat. It's 5-1. Come on. They're not making a comeback. Let me just turn around. Oh, that's 50-50. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna blast that. But well, actually, I might upload that road to platinum in like 3 months, maybe, because I might have to rank down if I am in plat. I might have to rank down to bronze. Because I think whatever rank I was from the other season, I have to be that rank. So I'm gonna have to rank down on my 2v2s too. Dang. That's gonna be annoying. Usually YouTubers just do it on a different account, but I'm not gonna do all that. I'm not gonna go. Oh, nice shot. I did not expect him to do that. Okay, maybe he is making a comeback. Okay, I'm gonna go back, grab that boost, and then he just passes to me. I'm gonna take my crap, I can't take my time. Alright, let's go. Nice. I have double his score. You better go for it. He just passed that right to me. Dang it. Tried to do it with my belly, but I couldn't get it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that because it just sends me flying up. No! Okay. I tried to fly. I thought he was going low that second. Okay, now I actually have to stop playing good and stop goofing around. I did not think he was going to make a comeback. Wait, he didn't even make a comeback yet. 6-5. Oh my. He missed an open net. I mean, I have to. Like, I missed that on purpose. Oh my god. That almost went in. I'm gonna pass that back. Hit it. No way. No way. Wow, bro. That's impressive. That is really impressive. Now I gotta score. Back. I'm gonna hit that back. I'm gonna hit it high where he can't score. Go for it. Hit up high. I'm just gonna steal his boost on this one if I can. I was gonna go for the demo. He went up on the water. I'm not going for that. I better not lose on this one. No, I might have just gave him a goal. I have to get back. Oh my. Ooh. He's missing like every shot. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh! Actually, that's good. He probably would have gotten it. Okay, he's gonna go for that boost. I'm still gonna challenge. Okay, no, he's back flipping. I'm trying to get that boost. Yes! Whew. That was a tight shot. That went right over him. Let's see if I'm flat. I think I am. See? I'm not gonna skip it. I'm not plat. Oh, I am. Yes. I am Platinum 1, Division 1. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, getting the Platinum. We did not lose a single match. We were on a 7 or 8 game win streak. Or 7 or 6 game win streak. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And bye.